Hey friends, and welcome to the House of Jen. If you have come on here because you love Pottery Barn but don't love the prices and are not afraid of a little crafty challenge, I have a fun one for you and for me. So we'll see if it works. Okay, so I picked up, this was on Amazon, and you can find a lot of pretty wreaths on Amazon. And this price, it wasn't terrible. I want to say maybe like 20 something or 20, but then I actually got it on the used option. And you can actually find some really good options. And this was, I want to say like $8 and something. So this is like this beautiful, and it would be beautiful by itself. It's like an olive leaf sort of wreath. And the reason why I picked up this wreath that has so many free flowing leaves is because I found this stunning wreath on Pottery Barn for, I want to say it was like $169. Well, I'm telling you, $169, I don't care. You know, I just don't care to spend that much on a wreath. Maybe you do. I mean, who wants to spend $169 on a wreath? Now, I'll have to give it to Pottery Barn though. You cannot find like, the quality of their wreaths are so pretty, and they don't look cheap and they don't look factory made. They look like a Pottery Barn style wreath, and they are classy and classic and timeless for a reason. But I like the challenge, and I like these free flowing leaves because I can actually spray paint it. I picked up some shiny metallic gold paint. It was so funny. They actually had to get a long kind of shepherd's hook kind of contraption at the Home Depot because people use so many of these. So they were like so far back in the shelf that, because this is the popular shiny gold, because you'll see some other golds, but you have to really pick up the right type of gold. So without further ado, let's see if we could create this dupe. So thankful that my husband is actually doing the spray painting. So quick tip, make sure that you flip over that other side of the wreath to get the underside of the green. Of course, all of it will not show through, but some of it will. And so if you want a more finished, more polished, more professional style look that is closer to our lovely Pottery Barn wreath that we are inspired by to try to get a similar look, I would go ahead and flip that other side of the wreath. So this whole process only took like a few minutes. You know, you have to wait in between coats, of course, let them dry. But we did find, so it's so nice that this type of material, the olive leaf that is kind of like cloth-like or whatever, for whatever reason, the material dried so quickly. And so we did not have to wait very long at all. So I would recommend this dupe if you want a quick project that is going to have such a fun high-end look. Okay, y'all, I think this has to be the easiest Pottery Barn dupe that I have tried. Look how swoopy and beautiful and effortless. I love, love the look that we achieved. So this was an olive leaf wreath. I did go back and check the price. It was actually $14.99 that I got on sale. And the spray paint was like $7, so $22. That's $22. And we achieved this swoopy motion like wreath, and the little olives actually look like acorns, which was kind of an unexpected surprise. And I did look at countless, scrolled and scrolled, looked at countless wreaths, but this one looks so much like the Pottery Barn wreath. Now, the leaves of the Pottery Barn wreath, I believe in the description, is a combination of eucalyptus and magnolia, but I feel like we've achieved a very similar look, and we saved $147. What could you do with $147? I am just as happy with my wreath for $22 than I am for, much, much more expensive. I think we did great. Now, give the, you can see like on the color. Okay. So I know the color is not exactly the same, but it's okay. If you want to go back and add like a deeper color, I did find this other wreath for very, very inexpensive on Amazon, and it is more similar to the color of our Pottery Barn wreath. So if you wanted to buy it, you could. But for me, if you see this, although it is a gorgeous wreath, it has the pine needles, and I think this is more appropriate for Christmas. And so I really like the free motion. I'm kind of like obsessed with how it turned out. Sorry, let me put this down. And I did think about putting like a bow or something. Y'all tell me, comment below if you think I should add a bow. But for me, I got all my little bow supplies out, and I was like, it would be like putting acrylic paint on a diamond ring. I couldn't do it. So anyway, if you try this challenge, please comment, drop a picture of your wreath, and hope you are having a wonderful day. Like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.